तो हमरा चालू करूँ मैं हॉल हमरा पति क्यों मेरे को ज्वेलरी देख ऐसे कुछ तो होता है. It says fragile like a bomb, which is me. So cool. अब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है बहुत कम चीज हो गई है. Hey yo, केम छो guys, welcome back to my channel after a very long time, a sit down video. And इतने टाइम बाद है तो of course shopping haul बनता है. So recently I went to Little Flea Market. For some strange reason मैं पहली बार गई हूँ this year Little Flea. और मैं पहले क्यों नहीं गई हूँ I don't even know why. But good only I saved some money जो भी मैं पहले नहीं गई हूँ. Anyway, this time we did go and I found some cute stuff. So I of course always wanna show you guys and share with you all. So let's get started. First thing I got is this shirt. So this is nice fringy and it has some shiny element as well. This was really nice. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. It was so me. I feel the way I will style it, I know it will look really good. थोड़ा extra है and that's what I like. This was for 1500. I'll mention all the Instagram profiles of these brands because they really had good stuff. So this is the first one. I'm just gonna randomly show you guys stuff now. There were so many jewelry stalls and मेरे को jewelry देख ऐसे कुछ तो होता है. There was this one stall जहाँ पे कुछ discount भी था. So I picked up like first is this very summery charm scarf necklace. And it is so cute. Like this is what I was wearing to the Little Flea and it was going on my outfit as well. उसके साथ I bought like 4 rings. So this is 1, this is 2. These are both the same. But I know that I love mixing metals and if they are identical, they will look really good. And another one I got is this. So again, this is gold, this is silver. You see the mixing metals look so good. Then I also got this. Now this is more on the diamond style. और उसके साथ मैंने एक ये what is this called bracelet. See, that's so pretty. So I think I'll mention the prices. मुझे अब sure तो नहीं पता है, but I randomly like I think paid 3k something for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stuff. I also bought this one bag that I spotted, which is what is this called? Crochet. It is made of crochet and it's handmade and this was for 1000 rupees and this was a very non-famous local Indian brand. They had really nice bags. So Miloni ने भी एक bag लिया, मैंने भी एक bag लिया. This was the only color they had in this style and मुझे यही style अच्छा लगा था. I wish there were like more color options, but this is also not bad. Like nice. I like. Good for summer. Okay, baby tees. I love baby tees and उसमें अगर कुछ relatable लिखा है तो I'm gonna pick it up. So this was there and it says fragile like a bomb, which is me. So मैंने ये लिया है. अब मैंने ये small size में लिया. I just hope it fits me. I feel it's just too baby. It's cute. I also got footwear जो मैं generally नहीं लेती हूँ and I just get lost in this category, but let me show you why I got this. Do you see that? ये पूरा line से and they are not like identical. They are 2 different styles, but it's like a continuous. It's so cute. This was for something 2.5 or 8. I'm not sure, but हाँ, it's all crochet again and summery and so cute. I had to get it. Then I got handcuffs for a very good reason and being a smart shopper. इस बार मैंने फालतू के हैंड टैग्स नहीं लिए हैं. मैंने बस ये 2 लिया because this was so pretty. I don't have something like this and again this is summery. Yeah, so pretty. This is more vintage थोड़ा vibe and still trendy. So I liked it and I picked it up. थोड़ा महंगा था यार. थोड़ा Little Flea वालों थोड़ा flexible करो rates. This is from the same brand. This is like an ear cuff. अब मैं पहन के नहीं बताऊंगी, but it's really cool. It looks something like that and looks really cool. So I got this. Again expensive था ear cuff. एक single ear cuff भी, but मैंने ले लिया. Then another brand, I just randomly liked these earrings and one ring. this drop effect and emerald color ka glass hai, so I thought it'll look nice and it'll go with many outfits. And again I got this ring with mixed metals like gold and silver, so I'm gonna wear this everything together and फिर तुम लोग मुझे पूछोगे कहाँ से लिया, yeah, like always. Then ये तो मैं देखते ही खुश एक्साइट हो गई एकदम से. I was like that. Wow, isn't it so cool? It's like a fish earring with so cool. इसमें like she said white color भी था but it was sold out, but I liked this also. अभी let's hope I will be able to style it. So this was from the brand local Pitara. इनके पास भी jewelry तो भाई सबके पास इतनी crazy थी ना, मैंने कैसे खुद को रोका है, only I know. Now these are the things that I bought. Okay, like bought. Now there are few things wherever I was going on the stall and they were sweet enough to recognize me and they were like, you just take whatever you want, like we are ready to give you a PR, which was so sweet. So मैंने कोशिश की है कि मैं ये free का ज़्यादा ना ले लूँ, but these perfumes, now this is of course men's का, so I got it for my brother and because he's a crazy perfume person, तो उसको कोई भी perfume बस perfume देख के खुश हो जाता है. So I was like, let me get it for him, and this I got for me. It has a very nice vanilla sweet smell, so I liked it and they were like, you just take it. And मैंने story डाली है guys इसकी, ऐसे इतना भी free में नहीं लिया है. Sweet enough to give me, and perfume is always a good thing to get, so why not? Like there were so many brands I've spoken to, DM Pay and all, so this was one of the brand, and when I went to the stall they were like just take whatever you want. So I got this one crop top because a white crop top is always safe. I just hope it fits me. It will. And I got this very summery nice set. So this is like a tie-up shirt with this skirt. Isn't it cute? ये तो मतलब मैं भी दृष्टि भी दोनों भी पहन सकते हैं. So I was walking and this girl came up to me and she was like, Rajvi, please come to our stall and if you like anything you can just take it. And then I saw this was their latest launch and it is so cool. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा and I was like, give me this. ऐसे तो मैं बहुत चीज़ें उठा ली थी but मैंने बोला एक ही दे तो चलेगा. Yeah, it has this glass thingy. It's a nice pretty necklace. अब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैंने बहुत कम चीज़ें ली है. तो पति क्यों? तो हमरा चालू करूँ मैं हॉल. हमरा पति क्यों? Okay, anyway, the last thing. Oh my god, this brand, okay, the founder was 18 years old. He was so young and I was like, what? Wow, that's really impressive. Okay? Like being that young and putting yourself there and like creating stuff, I was impressed. And they have cool stuff, okay? Like look at this shirt. Okay? This shirt says, kiss me if I'm wrong, but the earth is definitely flat. See how cool is that? ऐसा और भी था उनके पास, but I picked this. Then this is something I relate, okay? So यहाँ पे they have their branding. Indecisive is the brand. यहाँ पे it says error 404, love not found. Sorry, currently busy running away from love. That's me. I was like, ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा relatable हो गया, ये तो लेना पड़ेगा. And then the last thing I got are these nice track pants which says Indecisive, which I am and which is the brand name. So I loved it. I love the color and I bought this in M size so I can wear it like loose and slouchy and gym में भी पहन सकती हूँ, कहीं भी पहन सकती हूँ. So yeah, the material and all is also really nice. I think that's pretty much it. मुझे और भी ऐसा लेना चाहिए था, ऐसा मन कर रहा है. But ठीक है, I think I've got good stuff and I have shopped a lot other than this recently, so it's okay. This is good enough. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me spend my money as always. Thank you guys for being here. And also you see this background, there's a little change and renovation that I've done, which you all will see in the next video. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys. Bye.